in the sky. In water. Hold on a light. I will eat the
Hi friends, I am eagle. I am a larvae. My body is very strong. My color is dark brown. I have two big wings. My beak color is yellow. My eyesight is very famous. I can fly very high in the sky.
Friends, I am a dog. I am a bird. My color is black. I live from the tree. I have a long and sharp beak. I have eyes in the sky. I am very colorless. I have black feathers, black legs. I eat fruits and vegetables. Thank you. Hi friends, I am a owl. I am a bat. I have brown, grey, black and white feathers. I have two large eyes. I can see in the dark and at night. My beak is very sharp. I see during the daytime and at night. I live in trees. I eat small animals. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am DJ. I am a beautiful bird. I am the symbol of peace. I have different colors. I have two large wings. I have two legs. I eat grapes, nuts, etc. I got very, very beautiful world. Thank you.
Friends, I am a parrot. I am very beautiful. My color is green. My beak is red. I live in the trees. I eat fruits, vegetable, grain. I like to eat chili. I am a speaking bird. Thank you. Hi friends, I am Peacock. I am national bird of India. I am beautiful bird. I have two guts. I have two full eyes. I have blue feathers. I have crown on my head. I am dancing rainy season. I am eating fruits. Thank you. Hi friends, I am a hen. I am a beautiful pet. I am a domestic pet. I eat food grains, seeds, fruits and vegetables. I have two wings. I am a bird that lays eggs. Female chicken is called hen. A male chicken is called